Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's take a look at this 2019 Toyota Prius LE. It is in the magnetic gray metallic with the moonstone cloth interior. And this one is going to be an all-wheel drive model with no options on it. So that total is going to be 27,325. Gas mileage is going to be 52 city and 48 out on the highway. Coming down here to our wheels, these are going to be 15-inch alloy wheels with wheel covers on them for aerodynamics. Then coming around back, as you can see, the all-wheel drive badging and the redesigned taillights. Now we do have smart key access, so just keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, only 5 miles on this one, so put your foot on the brake, press your power button to power up. So let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood of the Prius, we do have a 1.8 liter dual overhead cam i4 featuring a hybrid synergy drive, producing a total output of 121 horsepower, 105 foot-pounds of torque going to all four wheels through an electronically controlled all-wheel drive system and a CVT, continuously variable transmission. As we said, in terms of fuel economy, 52 city, 48 highway, and a curb weight of around 3,200 pounds. So let's check out the interior. Over in your side mirror, they're going to be body color, and you do have your blind spot monitoring. But coming in, we do have that moonstone cloth interior. It's going to be a 6-way manual driver's seat. Door panel materials, nice padded armrest with your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Door storage down below that. To the left of your steering wheel, you do have your parallel parking feature, as well as auto high beams, panel dim, and traction control off. And then coming to that steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke urethane wrapped wheel. Audio, voice commands, and Bluetooth on the left, and then over on the right, you do have your D-pad for your center LCD up top, as well as your lane departure alert with steer assist, dynamic radar cruise, and main cruise on a stalk down below. Now over on your left, you do have your LED headlights, fog lights, and your blinkers, tap to 3 blinks. And then you're over on the right, you do have your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now over here in your audio system, checking out your sources, AM, FM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, as well as auxiliary. Going to your setup, of course, you have your various vehicle settings, car, you do have your energy monitor, as well as your MPG data. Below that, single zone automatic climate control with your temperature right here, press automatic and leave it, or you can manually control your fan speed and zones. Below that, we do have our CVT continuously variable transmission shifter, over and down for drive, up for reverse right there, press P for park. You also have your drive mode and EV selector, storage, cup holders. You do have your audio inputs and a 12-volt right there, the nice padded armrest with storage, glove box nice and damp with your owner's manuals in there, and then up top, manually dimming rear view mirror and vanity light on your sun visor with a nice little extension, map lights, and then some sunglass storage up top. And so that about wraps it up for the front seat. Let's check out the rear. And coming back here, that moonstone cloth does carry through. All your door panel materials follow through as well with your padding, power window, and door storage. Front seat set from a 5'9" frame and still do have plenty of room with plenty of footroom. Dual seat mount pockets with dual charging USB outlets right there. And over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders, adjustable rear headrest also. Damp cornering handles with coat hooks and a nice dome light up top. So checking out the dash, as you can see, a nice view of that right there. And that about wraps it up for the rear seat. We can check out the cargo area and then we'll wrap up our video. Coming around back, there's a membrane underneath your Toyota logo to open it right up. Plenty of room, but you can fold down those rear seats 60/40 to expand cargo room even more. You have your tonneau cover right here, as well as illumination. You do have some bag hooks, and then underneath your cargo floor you do have some storage and a fix-a-flat kit. Laying that back flat. Little handle right here to help close your trunk. And that about wraps it up for the 2019 Prius LE all-wheel drive. Now, if you're interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.